I'm parking the car. You parked way too close. No, I didn't. How am I gonna get out? You can figure it out. I'll try my best. Don't hit the car next to us. What's gonna happen if I do? They're gonna come out here and you'll be in so much trouble. I gotta do it carefully. Whoops, did someone hit my car? What have you done? Don't let him get me! Who's the one that hit my car? I have no idea. It was him. What the heck, Mom? I gotta tell you something. Don't hurt me. It's not your fault. Wait, what? She's the one that parked too close. Why is everyone looking at me? Let's get her. It was a small spot.